What are the cabinets in your home like? Out of style? Falling apart? The wrong color? There are actually several ways to upgrade them and make them your own. Enter Elite Cabinet Coatings.
The most important room in a house is certainly the kitchen. By far, it's the #1 room people pay attention to when they're walking into a home, and cabinets specifically are the most important furniture in that room, arguably in the house. Cabinetry is something that can really make an impression on someone when they're judging the home, on whether that's a home that's perfect for them or something that they need to do a little bit more work to.
Every project, every kitchen is different, and a lot of times depends on the community, whether you're going into an older home or a newer construction home. But we like to be able to assess what customers' desires are and being able to help them select whether they want to use their existing materials, so their doors and drawers, and update just the color. If they want to change the style of the cabinets themselves, the way they operate, we can give them new doors and new drawers and put them into a refacing. Or if for some reason their cabinets are just beyond anything that we can, help them with some TLC, then we'll definitely advocate for them just to replace them, gut them and replace them.
First things first, the easiest way to beautify your cabinets is to have them refinished.
Refinishing is great because it allows people to take their existing cabinetry and make it look completely new again, without having to replace all of the cabinets themselves. It works best for homeowners who want to upgrade their home, but also stick within a specific budget. So it allows them to invest in other areas of their home, not just their kitchen. The end result for cabinet refinishing is the same cabinets, but what look to be a completely new kitchen.
So let's say refinishing isn't an option for you. Then it might be time to reface them.
Refacing is sometimes better than refinishing for homes that are much older that may have outdated cabinets or cabinets that are not in great condition. So if you have wood damage or doors that are warped, refacing is going to be the way to go. Refacing is the best choice when homeowners want to get the maximum transformation for the smallest budget, and it's also a good choice for homeowners who want to change the style of their cabinet doors. The end result for cabinet refacing is a completely new kitchen with the same cabinet boxes. We describe cabinet refinishing and refacing as transforming your kitchen the easy way because it allows you to get a brand new kitchen without going through the construction phase, without going through all of the inconveniences of having all of that done in your home while you're living there. So we can go in there in a fraction of the time for a fraction of the cost, giving you a brand new kitchen.
And last but not least, of course, is to have your new cabinets custom built. But when you hire the experts at Elite Cabinet Coatings, that might not be a necessary expense.
Custom cabinets is the best choice for homeowners who want to start completely new. When they have a grand vision in their mind, we're the ones that can help them create that into reality. So we're going to schedule a meeting with our carpenter who's going to get a custom design put together. We're going to show you exactly what you'll receive before any of the construction starts. We have our facility where we can make the cabinets, where we can finish the cabinets, and we have a training center to train people to install them properly. All of our technicians are specially trained. We have a head trainer that takes them from A to Z through the whole process, and they actually have to take tests throughout the training process to prove that they're competent. And before they step into a home, they actually work with a lead technician as an apprentice for multiple weeks.
We're true artisans looking to always provide an elite experience.
We're really excited about expanding this service around the country. We see it as a good opportunity for people to make their homes their own without having to overspend.
For more information about Elite Cabinet Coatings, visit elitecabinetcoatings.com. And of course, visit us at designingspaces.tv.